Take it away.
All right, first one, flying elbows, left leg first. We're going to switch at 30 seconds. Are you ready? Follow me. Turn and down. Turn and down. Turn and down.
Doing these things?
Hopefully not. If your feet are busy, let me see him rotating those feet. Good. Coming across and then down. Hit him in the chin, hit him in the head. Just like that. Nice.
So
keep it coming. Turn and down. We're going to be here for 30 seconds. Oh, and turn and down. Now I'm working the feet, I'm working the core, I'm working everything. Heart rate's up and down. Turn and down. Turn
These are more difficult than they seem.
Turn and down. Turn and down. Other side, right foot forward. Now, right elbow across, left one down. Here we go. Turn and down. Get him. Oh, hurt him, Dr. Oz. Bring him down, buddy. Turn and down. Turn and down. Good. Here's your target. Hit him. Hit him. Hit him. Hit him. Nice. Good. More feet action. More leg action. Nice.
Stay with us, guys. Stay with us.
Turn down. Turn down. Turn down. Turn. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Nice. Wide feet. Nice and low. Arms go around. Add the hop. Arms go around. And the hop. Arms go around.
Seems easy at first, doesn't it?
Stay tall. Arms around. And hop. Now here's the modification for some folks. Watch. Whoop, whoop. Around. Beep, whoop. No hop. Whoop. Now over the course of time, maybe your first 30 days, you just do the arm thing. Right? You're not ready for the hopping and the squatting. But like second time around,
Not sure I'm ready for it.
you go and up and left. Doesn't have to be perfect, doesn't have to be pretty, it just has to be. Good. And then maybe your last 30 days, you go up here, around, up in the air, around, up in the air, around. How do you feel?
I'm tired.
It's working.
I'm not talking for a reason.
And up, around, and up, and around. Last one. Good. All right.
Let's do that. Do that.
Now, knees and elbows. More mixed martial arts. So left leg forward, grab by the neck, pull them in. Other side, pull them in. Other side.
Who am I going to do this to?
Pull them in. I don't know. Who are you having troubles with right now? Anybody get bigger? Pull them in. Good. Now, you're a lighter. You're not a fighter. Yeah.
But
This is just really for the exercise. Up.
I like the more
And
short
pull.
side.
Up. And pull. Now, double uppercuts. Totally changing. Switch the feet. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. See, so what's happening here, you're pivoting on your feet. You're turning your body. You're working your shoulders. You're working your core. You're working your legs.
1, 2.
Just like that. Ready? Watch. 1, 2. 1, 2. Hit me. Boom, boom. 1, 2. Boom, boom. That's it. There you go. And up. And one. A couple more. Boom, boom. Last one's nice. Okay. Good. Two hop skaters. So, come to the right. I'm going to go left. You two. Ready? Over, over. And back. Over, over. And back.
What's the easier one to this?
Now, modification is a step. Step. So you see how you're hopping twice? 1, 2. This side 1, 2. That side 1, 2. Now make it 1. Just the 1. And the 1. And let's say you're really modifying. You go like this. Here. See the toe tap? Can everybody in the audience do this? Yeah. Right? Everybody at home, you can do this. But then over the course of time, you turn it into one hop. There's the one hop. One hop. And now double, double. Double, double. Training like an athlete trains. Over, over. Over, over. Here I come, Dr. Oz. There it is. Again. Again. All right. Last move. All right. Big drill. So, set, go.
This reminds me of college.
Good, good, good. Arms up. Arms out. Arms up. Move right. Left. Forward. Back. Set. Go. Arms up. Arms out. Arms up. Show me the rabbit face. Oh, yeah. Come on. You're still going. Turn left. Turn to the audience. Wave to the audience. Turn left again. Back to the audience. To the right. Back to the camera. Arms up. One more rabbit. Show me the rabbit. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Good. Keep going. Arms up. Set. Is that a minute yet? I hope so.
5 seconds.
Keep going. Finish strong. Finish strong. Finish strong. And time. Wow. Now, we get to do that again. That's 5 minutes.
Yeah.
You want to do another 5 minutes?
You know, I tell you, I'm warming up.
You're warming up.
I like it.
You feel good, right? The body's awake.
I don't think anything's crazy here. I mean, I'm not going to hurt myself, fall over,
no.
and embarrass myself, but...
But that's, hey, think of these gals who lost 100 pounds each. Were they able to do this on day 1? No. But on day 90, day 120, they could.
Of course they could.
That's what it's about. Yeah,
Absolutely. All right, I'm in. I'm in.
Second round. Flying elbows.
You need help, guys.
Right leg forward. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Across and down. Across and down. And let me check those feet. Give it on those feet. Yes. Oh, there it is. There's the rhythm.
Down.
Down. Down. Here. Down. Here. Down. Should I pick up the pace on Dr. Oz? Turn. 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 Turn.
Stay with us at home.
Turn. Other side, here we go. Oh, look at that.
Oh, I'm ready.
Fast.
I'm ready.
Turn, down, turn, down, turn, down, turn. Now you keep going. I'm going to modify.
Okay.
Modify. Here. You keep going fast. There it is. So here's the speed that works for somebody who's modifying. Or, turn. Turn. Look at those feet. Let me see you step those feet. Really turn the feet. Turn. There you go. Turn. Nice. Nice. And time.
Okay.
Hop squats. Hop squats.
Around the world.
I think I see real perspiration.
I like it.
It's happening.
I like it.
So,
Stay with us at home. Come on now. We can do this.
arms are down. I'll go right. We'll match. Around. Little hop. Other way. Little hop.
I like that
Again.
you vary it because it gives you a chance to rest for a second.
Yeah. Good. Now, the other one is a little bit more frenetic, right? More cardio. This one's a little slower.
This hurts you slowly.
Yeah. One hurts you fast, one hurts you slow.
But think about it. You're right. Lose 100 pounds if you need to, whatever you want to lose.
Good.
But the
Good
10
point.
minutes a day.
Think about how much better 10 minutes is than 0 minutes.
Yes.
It's about 10 times
It's
better.
taking a lot better than 60 minutes.
But you know, why? You know, if you can't do a full minute, or a full hour, then you have this option. The goal here is to move every day, mind, body, spirit. It's all happening with these simple movements.
Stay
5
with us
more
at
seconds,
home. Stay
2
with us at
more,
home, guys.
There's one, and another one.
All right,
This is for you at home.
That's right. Almost there. Come on now. Knees uppercuts.
Knees uppercuts. Left leg forward. Here we go. Pull, pull, pull. That's it. Pull. Bring your hips to your hands. A lot of times folks just raise their knee. You actually want to thrust the hip. Good. That's it.
This is the opposite of the first one I did.
Well, no, we're just switching sides. We switched lead legs. That's all we've done, really. But it's still the same motion. Hey, if our lead leg is one and yours is another, ours is left, yours is right, doesn't matter. Okay, here come our uppercuts. Either foot doesn't matter. I don't care. Let's go left.
Okay.
1, 2, 1, 2. Same target, both punches. Take me out again, right here. Boom, boom, bang, bang, boom, boom. Ow, ow, stop, ow, ow, ow. Good, good. Ow, ow. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. What I really like is the movement in the body. You see all the movement here?
That's
right?
falling.
Shoulders, core, legs, it's all happening. Nice, time's up. All right, so here we go.
Time's up
2
already?
hop skater. We're going to go mellow, then pick up the speed. All right, 1 hop for the first 30 seconds. And over, and over, and over.
Very elegant.
Yeah, you like that? Just dancing, you and I, the doctor and Tony, dancing. Now, if you need to modify this more, stay where you are, and I'll just show them more. See that? Nice and simple. Now, when we hit that 30-second mark, we're going to pick up the pace here a little bit. We're going to do those doubles. Over, 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 over. See how much ground you can cover. Way over, way over. This isn't for everybody, but it just goes to show you. Oh, you quick-footed. Trying to step on me. Nice. You can't get me. I know you want to try. You can't get me.
Almost.
Catch the old guy.
Almost.
And over. And back.
Almost.
And over. The last one.
All right.
All right.
I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good, Tony Norton.
That is real sweat.
Yeah, I like this.
10 minutes.
All right.
Big drill set. Go. That's a good part.
Sure, I like this
But it's
most.
over. Go! Arms up, arms out, arms up, arms up, Pacey. Arms up, Rabbit. Nuclear Rabbit. Everyone in the audience, Rabbit. Go, Rabbit. Arms up, arms out. Set. Good, right? That's good. You ready for the strong?
I'm ready.
Go. Up, out, up.
Stay with us at home.
out,
Stay with us.
Right, left, forward. Here we come. Back. There we go.
Stay with us, guys.
Arms up. Set. Here's the last one.
I
Are you
can
ready?
taste blood.
And that's a good thing. Last 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Whoa! That's it. 10 minutes. You control your destiny. Tony Horton's Destiny Workout. It's all yours tomorrow.